Did you ever wondered why we always feel tired even when we have not done much work during the day? To find the answer, I went through multiple resources, multiple articles and videos because I was facing the exact same issue, and what I discovered was honestly shocking. Many people make the video upon this. Some of them are bullshits, some of them are good, but even they missed a lot of crucial information. And most importantly, none of these videos are made keeping students in mind, and which is actually concerning, because they are the future of our country. Tiny seemingly harmless things are having a huge impact on our mental exhaustion. You see this diagram? This is the main reason why we are always tired. This tree with 5 broken leaves represent the root cause of why we constantly feel drained. Each leaf symbolizes a problem, and the tree itself is the sixth and biggest issue. You may not realize it, but many companies are targeting these 6 aspects to make you even more exhausted just to sell you their products. The smartest mind in the world are working to drain your energy, physically and mentally, so defeating them won't be easy. The real problem is that the human brain is easy to manipulate. Most people spend over 4 hours a day on their phones, completely out of control. Think about it. It is now you versus hundreds of people working behind the scenes to keep you tired, and if you don't fight back, you will slowly turn into a zombie, watching your life fading away. First thing first, have you ever felt like your mind is constantly running, even when you are just sitting or trying to relax? Your brain is thinking about 100 of other things: assignments, projects, exams, skill building, sports. On the top of this, expectation from your parents, society and even yourself. Why does it feel like the pressure never stops? So basically, take care of your emotions. Always remember, everything will be okay if you keep showing up and putting in the effort. There will be ups and downs, but trust the process. A few months ago, I was sleeping 8 to 9 hours every night, yet I still felt tired throughout the day. I kept thinking I slept more than enough. Why do I still feel this way? Well, one major reason was a lack of physical activity. A lot of people think that spending 30 minutes at the gym is a waste of time. They'd rather use that time to study. But that is a mistake I made too. The truth is, those 20-30 minutes of workout time made me more productive during the rest of my day. Another big reason, one of the most exhausting things in today's world is the big number of decisions we make each day. We overplan, we make long to-do list, and while doing one task, we keep thinking about the next. It is mentally draining. So what is the solution? The solution is limit your decisions. Simplify your routine. For example, I used to check my emails repeatedly and mindlessly scrolling through LinkedIn. It exhausted me without me even realizing it. That is why many successful people wear the same outfit every day. They reduce decision fatigue. So that is why people say you should plan your wardrobe and schedule the night before. Free up your brain for the things that matters. Now let's talk about the biggest one, sleep. This is a complex topic. Entire books are written about it, and no, it is not as simple as just sleep for 8 to 9 hours. Sleep is deeply personal. For me, I perform best with only 6 hours of sleep. Ironically, when I sleep longer, say 8 or 9 hours, I feel even more tired. So experiment and figure out what works best for you. Next thing, diet. But remember the tree we talked about? That central issue? We will go to that in a moment. For now, here is how to simplify your eating habits. Let's say you sleep at 10 pm and you have eat your dinner around 7:30 pm. At 14 hours after dinner, that is when your breakfast should be. Place lunch somewhere in between. 3 golden rules. Eat less than your full capacity, avoid processed food, keep dinner light. That is it. And now, the most important point of all, the core of your energy, purpose. You must have seen people who work non-stop, skip workouts, ignore diet, and still seem energetic. Why? Purpose. Purpose creates life energy. On days when I am working on something I truly enjoy, I am filled with energy. I don't feel tired at all. So make sure you having something in your life that excites you. It can be anything from playing chess to painting, dancing or sports. Do something that sparks your inner creativity and gives your day meaning. And remember one thing, you don't have to fix everything overnight. Start with one thing, reduce the taps, open your mind, get some movement in, simplify your life, and most importantly, reconnect with what makes you feel alive. Your energy is not gone, it just needs a reason to show up again.